Jamaica has long dominated the track scene. But in recent years, the country's male field athletes have been setting the stage on fire. In the long jump, Wayne Pinnock, Tajay Gayle, Kerry McLeod and Sean D. Thompson are all leaping over 8 meters, making them the best in the world today. With a silver at the 2023 World Championships and a national record by Gayle in 2019, these athletes are redefining Jamaica's legacy. But can this powerful Jamaican quartet sweep the long jump as the Tokyo World Championships approach? With fierce competition from the likes of Miltiadis Tentoglou and Mattia Ferlani, the race is on. In this video, we dive into the fierce rivalry, track their rise, and ask the burning question, will Jamaica sweep the long jump once again? In the long jump at the 2023 Budapest World Championship, Wayne Pinnock earned silver, Tajay Gayle took bronze, and Kerry McLeod was in 4th place. It's safe to say that Tajay Gayle's national record of 8.69 meters to win gold at the 2019 Doha World Championship has inspired these generations of Jamaicans to leap over 8 meters. After struggling with injuries for years, Tajay Gayle made the brave move to leave the MVP track club and be coached by Kerry Lee Ricketts at the Ricketts Performance Center. Gayle has leaped 8.34 meters and has looked impressive this season. However, Wayne Pinnock and Kerry McLeod are yet to open their season. Sean D. Thompson, on the other hand, leaped 7.88 meters. Collectively, Tajay Gayle, Wayne Pinnock, Kerry McLeod, and Sean D. Thompson are 8.46 meter jumpers, which makes them the best in the world. With this performance, fans are hoping that Jamaica might be able to clean sweep the men's long jump at the Tokyo World Championship. The last time one country swept the men's long jump was at the 1991 Tokyo World Championship when the United States trio of Mike Powell, Carl Lewis, and Larry Myrick did so. The long jump is a pretty competitive event with the likes of Greece's Miltiadis Tentoglou and Mattia Ferlani of Italy, who are the biggest threats to the Jamaicans. Jamaican athletes are known to be very competitive and will not go down without a fight. As the Tokyo World Championships approach, Jamaica's long jump team is ready to make their mark. With Pinnock, Gayle, McLeod, and Thompson pushing the limits, they're not just competing, they're redefining what's possible. The future of long jump is in good hands, and no matter what, it's going to be thrilling to watch. Now, we want to know what you think. Do you believe Jamaica's long jump team can sweep the podium at the Tokyo World Championships? Who do you think will come out on top? Wayne Pinnock, Tajay Gayle, Kerry McLeod, or Sean D. Thompson? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to know what you think. Also, check out our videos on the potential trouble for Jamaican female sprinters this season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to stay up to date with all things Caribbean athletics. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.